What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes we'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Quantstamp. I think you know why if you're watching this video. Quantstamp just got listed on Coinbase Pro, I believe, and I think they'll also be listed on Coinbase. But apart from that, I thought Quantstamp was quite interesting because it's actually a really good project, and I actually use it a lot when doing audits on cryptos, doing research and stuff. And I think it's quite undervalued. I mean, maybe I first have to start with two disclaimers then. The first one, that this is not financial advice. Second one, that this whole analysis is based upon the assumption that we remain in relatively stable markets. So if any big fundamental move or event happens, then please forget about the analysis. But the most important one is no financial advice, because I do think Quantstamp is undervalued. And you might think with no max supply that it's inflationary, but think again, it really isn't that much. So yeah, I think there's some great potential here. I'm not quite sure how Quantstamp is going to react to the Coinbase listing. That's why I'm basically going to explain this scenario, or explain this analysis with two different scenarios. Basically, cryptos can have really good responses where they have huge bull runs, or they can just have one bull move and drop down like 200 to 300%. So that's why I wanted to do this. And Quantstamp has been bullish since like the 25th of January. I'm not quite sure why, so that's a bad thing from me, but still. So yeah, we managed to reach all the way up until 8.5 cents. I actually do think, as I said, I think it's a great project, and Coinbase listings often bring a lot of liquidity and a lot of buyers into the mix. So I think if we can break that 8 cents level again and we close above that with the candle, then the most obvious price target would be 10 cents. From there we'll probably find some resistance again, so I'll probably update it if we do reach that. Because I'm not saying that will be the last price target. I mean, if we look a little bit above, you also have it at around 14 cents. But I just think that within these quite unstable markets, it's better to set relatively conservative price targets. And look again if it does hit that. So I think that's possible. So that's the first scenario. If, however, we do not manage to break above that 8 cents again within the next like 2 days, and then I think it's more likely that first we might consolidate between 6.6 and 8 cents. But eventually I actually do think then we'll drop down to somewhere like 5 cents, maybe 5.5. Maybe that will hold. But I don't know. I think it's more likely to drop down all the way to 5 cents again. That's what you tend to see with a lot of cryptos that have such bull runs, definitely within these market circumstances. That they drop down quite a bit. You know what? I'm first of all going to say that we'll drop down to 5.5 cents. That region. I mean, that's quite a strong support as well, and we might have some more bullish momentum coming in the way of Quantstamp, at least volume. So more people seeing price drop down, they might see 5.5 cents as a decent price area to buy in. So then the support becomes stronger as well. So yeah, I'm going to change it up a little bit. I think then in this scenario at least, so that we don't break that 8 cents, I think we're dropping down to 5.5 cents. So yeah, that's basically my full analysis on Quantstamp, or the QSP token. If you do have any questions about the analysis, then please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.